All right, we were at the Holiday Inn Convention Center in St. Louis. Look at that.
Don't mind me.
We've got. So we actually have some pretty interesting and kind of rare elevators here. These are actually Otis with GAL, so they're probably 1980s-ish.
The place looks.
Oh, we got this one. Of course, the one button half works. Very slow. And we've got a pretty epic motor here too. We'll try to ride the other car.
Just don't trip on the bench.
See how long the other car takes to show up. But while we wait, and we lose focus, this is actually really cool. We got an indoor pool.
On the second floor.
On the second floor, kind of a balcony thing here. It's actually a really cool hotel. Yeah, we'll see how long this elevator takes to come up.
Because I know when this was a clearing, it didn't have a good reputation, but it looks really nice now.
Look at that fire service add-on. Yeah, they look the same.
I think that's ripped from the Emo's website. It's a picture.
Pictures are slow. Listen to the motor on this one. They have awesome shaft noises too. Sadly, the middle car doesn't work. And we complete blur.